All right, here's the new hitch going in. It's a Flex Air with the airbag in it and a shock absorber, and then this head tilts side to side some this way. It's supposed to take up a lot of the action in the camper. I took off the solid pin over there, and that's the bird's nest that was in it. So what I'm going to do is, I got this, the guy from the A Dewey pile delivered it, and I had the guy just, I backed underneath his tailgate, and he just forklifted this out to the one of them hand forklifts. He brought it out, set it in my truck. So I'm just going to back it in here. I think I'm close to being lined up. I'm going to have to get in and out of the truck a few times, but I'll back this up, slip it in there, and get a couple of spud wrenches in, line the holes up, bolt her up, and I'll be done.